Hey guys, welcome you all in T3. In this quick video, we will talk about the levels of cloud expertise. As you know, everybody want to learn cloud, but you need to follow certain roadmap or you need to understand what kind of roles you are having and at which role, what is expected from you to do. Okay, I just to keep this video very simple so everybody can understand. So whenever you are new to cloud computing, whatever cloud it is, either it is Azure, AWS or GCP or Oracle Cloud. So you need to start always with the fundamentals. Okay. So here you need to understand how the cloud is deployed, how the infrastructure is deployed, what are the service model we are having like infrastructure as a service, income as a service, software as a service, or we can say deployment model like public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. You need to understand these all not only understanding this, but also need to understand what are the benefits it's bringing to your organization. Because right now, if you think without cloud, also your application is running in your environment, right? And with cloud, what is the benefit your organization is getting? Then only you are moving to there, right? If it can be helpful to save the cost, it can be helpful to reduce the workload of human beings, like it can reduce the management of your infrastructure, it can help you to decommission even existing hardware servers you are having. So you can use it as a pay as you go model, certain models as well that you can choose, you can get more discounts. And so there are multiple benefits you are having for cloud companies. So whenever you are going towards the fundamental, you need to very well understand. You should have the very well understanding about these things. Then only you can tell, okay, this is the thing. That's why we are adapting to the cloud. Next thing, uh, you need to understand limited experience with specific cloud platform. So whenever you are going with fundamentals, nobody asks you to design a solution or migration of your servers to the cloud. You just need to understand core services what they are having with the specific cloud platform. If you are looking for a, you need to understand what are the core services there in compute, what are the services available in networking, what are the services available, how the architecture is defined there, how many availability zones we are having in regions, what are the regions available, what are the services delivered at regional level, availability zone level, or a particular specific location as well. So these all things you need to understand when you are talking about fundamental. Next level we are having cloud practitioner. Okay, in this one, what is expected that you should be able to access the cloud platform through the portal or CLI platform. Okay, so once you go through any cloud platform, you have the understanding. Now you will be able to manage the resources like creating VM or deploying any application, or you want to create some storage. You should able to provision those things. It is a simple task. You need to understand how it need to be done, how it need to be performed. If you get stuck, where to fix it, you need to understand how to have professional engineer. So if you go with the certification for that, if you are going for the AWS, then there is cloud practitioner certification. If you are going for Azure, then we are having over 900 certification, that is Azure fundamentals. Next, we are having cloud architect role. Okay, after practitioner, what's you need to learn next? Now you need to focus on designing and implementing cloud architecture. For mainly why we are using, because it provides scalability and co- cost optimization. So you can be able to design cost effective solution as well when you cloud architect role. You should able to automate cloud deployment like we are having Terraform, right? That uses infrastructure as a code. Similarly, every cloud having their own IOC platform service. If we talk about in Azure, we have Azure Bicep service. If we talk about in AWS, we are having AWS Cloud Formation service. Okay. So these are the services that can help you to deploy resources in the cloud automatically through the scripts. Okay. So that will help you. Next, you need to able to monitor the resources. You need to troubleshoot your issues related to any resources you are getting. So at the cloud architect level, it's a senior level role where you need to design, implement, troubleshoot, automate everything you expected from you. Now let's talk about the next level, that is cloud security aspect. See, not only demand or technology will work into cloud. Until and unless you provide the secure infrastructure to your client, it will not work at all. Okay. So security is the primary feature every organization or every client is looking for. So that's why we need to focus there. You need to configure access control and implement IAM policies, identity and access management policies for your resources as per your organization standard. Uh, Next thing, you need to understand whenever there is issues there, you need to identify where you need to look for and how you can fix it. That means you need to identify and mitigate any security vulnerabilities available in your infrastructure. So this is the role of cloud security expert. Next level we are having cloud glue. It's like a cloud expert, we can say, to solve complex cloud challenges with innovative solutions. You know, our cloud, or we can say in the cloud technology is evolving every day. Every day new services are launching, things are coming up. So with the innovative solution, you how you can help the existing infrastructure that can be done by cloud expert. Also, once you have the infrastructure well running, then you need to focus on how you can optimize if there is any resources, how you can optimize that to save costs, to reduce human costs. That thing you need to think as a cloud expert. Also, you will be able to advise on cloud strategy or migration plans. See, you know that everyone want to go to the cloud, but before going there, you need to understand what are the things you need to assess. You need to do the assessment for whole infrastructure. Then you need to segregate what component or services or application you want to move to the cloud. What are the data or services you want to keep in your on-prem infrastructure. But also you need to understand. So you need to follow some cloud strategy there that you can advise to your client or customer or your organization as a cloud expert. So you can identify scenarios where a cloud approach might not be ideal. As you know, every technology is not made for everyone, right? Similarly, cloud is not good for everyone. So you also need to understand such scenario where cloud approach is not good at all. So there might be possible that your application is dependent on legacy technology that doesn't support cloud native. So how you can move them to cloud, right? If you don't have the proper developers or the people who can make or re-architect or reconfigure that application that as per cloud standards. That thing also you need to understand as a cloud expert. So now we understood that there are different roles we are having in the cloud, and that there are five roles we can expect. I divided into five, but just understand like you know what it is expected from you. So that's it in this video. I hope you find something insightful related to cloud expertise. See you in the next video with more learning contents. With that, keep learning, keep signing, keep transforming.